Today's fountain pen unboxing is the Conklin Abalone Nights Duragraph fountain pen. And we'll also get a quick look at the rollerball and ballpoint. It's made by Conklin, and this is a reincarnation of one of their original pen designs, the Duragraph. The Duragraph was originally released in 1923. If you're not familiar with this design, it does have a flat top and a flat end at the barrel, and then you have the center ring that's slightly, it's about a medium-sized center ring, and then you have the thin ring at the top. You have your pin clip, and then you have another thin ring near the bottom. And you have, in this particular combination, you're going to have the black resin with the silver color trims and that abalone shell barrel. And the abalone shell material against that black resin is really stands out, and it's gorgeous. You have a threaded cap, and you do have a black section to match the cap and the back end of your barrel. You have the option to get your nib in varying sizes, including the OmniFlex. This is an example of the OmniFlex nib, and the nib does match the trims. This is a cartridge converter pin, so when you want to fill your pen, you just unscrew the section from the barrel and insert either your ink cartridge or your converter if you want to use bottled ink. So this is your Abalone Nights Duragraph from Conklin. We hope you come back to see more at pinchlet.com. Let's get a look at the rollerball. Oh, and both the fountain pen and the rollerball are both postable. And then it's also available in a ballpoint with a simple twist mechanism. For more information, visit us at pinchlet.com.